Okay, I'm back again, guys. Let's continue with our journey. That is the church. You can see there's also graves in the church. I hope those graves, they are very old. I can see a few graves in the church. That big one there is a grave. That one, and also there's many inside. I'll ask for permission one day and go inside and show you guys. So like I said, it's still in the morning. That's why the streets are still not yet busy, which is good for me to film. So guys, as I said, I like this place. It's quite unique, quiet as well, and affordable. So as you can see up there, there's a flag. They said it's a castle there, but I'll visit the castle not today, guys, but I'll definitely visit it and show you. That's the castle there, but I'll leave it for another day, not today. So I'll find out more about the castle, then I'll share with you guys how it is and everything, what's inside. They say there's a parky also. I'll visit the parky on the other episode. Beautiful, guys. So now I'm trying to not face the sun. Everywhere it's like they're fixing the roads, which is good. Don't know if you can see the prices, guys. The shops are still closed. I don't know what actually they were using to build these buildings. The brick seems to be quite strong, very strong, guys, because the buildings are very old, like ancient buildings. Nice, guys, believe me. They really keep their culture, which is good. The shops are starting to open. Beautiful, guys. Let's try this way. Let's go in here. What's up? What's up? I'm busy recording. Primark. I'm out now. I'm on close to the library. Yes. You come? Can you give me a lift? In the parking next to the library. Okay, yes, I'm out.